Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I am your Las Vegas real estate agent out here. So today I'm here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley in a new master plan community called Skye Hills. This home is built by Beazer Homes. The name of the community is called Sage Point at Skye Hills. The name of this model is the Sequoia model. Now, they have over 10 models to pick and choose from. Now, this is the biggest model, but we're gonna go inside because it's so windy, loud, and it's cold. Here's your mailbox option upgrade that you can pick. Woo! Give me a second, guys. The things that I do for you. All right, so the Sequoia is a 2,719 square feet. You have 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. It is a 2-story home. The base price, which is the starting price, is going to be $482,990. So let's dive right into it. We're going to start back here from the beginning. We're going to see exactly what they have. So we have 9-foot ceilings as we enter into the property. That does come standard with an 8-foot door here. As you can see, with energy savings guide through a third-party company, this shows the rating. Okay, so as you can see, the typical resale homes, the rating, the efficiency on the home is typically about 130. So the higher you go, you're saving less money. The typical new homes is 100. Beazer's is at 50. However, their insulation, okay, and their R value is very high in what you get, so this really brings it down. Okay, however, that's just for this model, so they probably pressured it really well here, so it has dropped roughly about 52. Oh, right here, 52. It says the average savings cost is about 128. This right here, guys, this is actually not accurate. What's going to happen is you're going to be signing an addendum stating that this is not accurate, so keep that in mind. So as we enter the property, as you can see, we have 12 by 24 tile on a 12-inch stagger here, 3/8 on the grout lines. All right, let's go back. Let's see what we got. Nice and open living room. Looks like we have a bedroom right over here. Try to make this video fast as I can because I gotta head over to my next appointment and my stomach is growling today. Normally I don't get hungry, but I don't know what is going on. This looks like the standard cabinets, but painted white. Upgraded on the countertops here. Looks like your standard sink, standard faucet. On the islands, you'll notice that the outlets, it's required. Nice cook countertop here. Love that backsplash here with that tile. Looks like right now they're currently missing a double stack oven. You got extra pantry space here, which is really nice. You know, that's an upgrade. Here's your 2-car garage. Oh, I like the fact that the bathroom's tucked away here. However, this bathroom is so large that I guess I can bring this back a little bit more. Get more depth and counter space here. Orange peel texture. Let's come on this side here. What do we got? Bedroom. Oh, I love the fact that this bedroom has a bath. Gives you that little junior suite. You got 18 by 18 on the tile. Nice high countertops. Standard faucet here. Fiberglass shower. Not bad. I love how they take the closet doors and make the room appear bigger. Now, this is a small room. However, keep in mind, you're not trying to keep your guests here forever. They can come and stay 1 or 2 days here in Vegas, but you gotta go. It's an aluminum patio. A backyard like this, you can get away with about $10 a square foot. And that's with the covered patio. Now, if you guys want to see exactly how much does it cost to do something like this, I do have a video on my second channel, Chakits 2.0, where I did my backyard, and it's a little bit bigger than this. Synthetic grass, rocks, lighting, aluminum cover patio, concrete. I break it all down. It's a very good educational video. Gives you an idea of how much you'd be paying for. And it did break down to about $10 a square foot. So check out that video so that way you have a general idea. But now I'm thinking about working on my front landscaping. Make sure I didn't miss anything here. Yeah, I got this, didn't I, guys? Yeah, closet. And your standard doorknob. Now, I also did all the other videos in this neighborhood too as well. So go check out all the other models. Alright. Coming up to the loft here. So we have the primary there. 8-foot ceilings. We're going on this side. Let's see what we got here. Now, here's the thing. You got the air filters return line. There should be a thermostat here. That is strange. They do not have a thermostat here. So that means... Wait, what? Typically, you need to have a thermostat here. I guarantee there's a thermostat in the back of this. Nope. Why isn't there not a thermostat here? This is the hottest point of the house. I don't know. I'd be not concerned, but definitely ask questions about that. So, what do we have here? Bedroom here, here, and here. Wow, you just keep all the kids down in one section, huh? I mean, this is a little bit tight. This is the guitar room. Walk-in closet, not bad. Okay. That feels... Hey, sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I felt it coming. Wow, this one's a little bit more larger. I like the fact that you have a light coming through the window there. I know it's a little bit dark. Let me come along this side here. There we go. Try to do like two things at one time. Talk and entertain you guys. Also educate you guys at the same time. And I'm trying to look at this small little screen here. However, it's very hard because I left the glasses in the car, so I'm trying to multitask. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. You know what? Let's go look at the bathroom. 18 by 18 porcelain tile. Looks like a 3/8 on the stagger. I mean on the grout lines. Tub shower combo. I don't know why I keep saying 3/8. It should be 3/16. All right, let's take a look here. Another bedroom. Wow, this home is definitely if you got kids. That's for sure. This home is good if you have kids and a mother-in-law, father-in-law that lives downstairs. And 3 kids running around. Woo. Not bad for a little loft section, but look at this. This is so funny. They have like this little baby little sectional couch here. I mean, this is not a real couch, but it's like they make it like it's huge or something. But they have to have something small here that gives you the illusion that this is a large loft. Okay, not bad. So your thermostat is here. Wow, this does not make any sense. Take a look at this. So here's a jumper duct, but that's where your air filter is at. I don't know. I would question that. The only reason why I'm saying that is because I used to be an air conditioning technician and also an installer as well. Not bad. This is a pretty large room. Now let's go take a look at this bathroom here, because this bathroom looks pretty large too. So we have a walk-in closet. However, this is a very small closet, even though that you have his and hers, believe it or not. Fiberglass. Now you can do a tub shower in here if you wanted to. Cast iron sink. Seems like the lights are out. See? Told you this closet is small. Now, take a look at this. Just a quick tip here. I don't know if you guys can see this here. There are 2 different colors, shades of this almond white here. You can just tell by the cabinet. So one thing I want you to do is when you guys are doing your final walkthrough, I don't know if you guys see that shade right there. Here's another one down here too as well. Sometimes the painters will kind of try to match the paint because they don't have the paint, right, in your walls. Make sure to look at every corner of the room, right? Make sure you have a lot of light that's actually inside that room, so that way you're looking at every single angle, because later on this is going to be a pet peeve, all right? Next you know it, you realize this is all over the place, so that's just something to take a look at. Also, when it comes to paint, okay, haven't talked about this for a while, the sheen, eggshell, okay, semi-gloss, what you're going to realize is that inside the bathrooms, all in the wet areas are always going to be the semi-gloss, right? So that way it helps prevent with moisture and all that stuff, okay? Also, they do make certain type of paints where it gives you a better insulation, believe it or not. Laundry room. Wow, nice creative decorative tile. You can definitely put a sink in here. I'm gonna go outside for a second. Look at that. Gorgeous. It is windy today, folks. Love the fact that you do have your attic access here. Reason why we have this plug here, because eventually they're gonna have security system. I mean, that's pretty much it for this video tour. We're gonna finish it downstairs. Oh, excuse me. All right, folks, let me know what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourselves living here. I think it's a great starter home for the price. I think it's great. You're probably going to be spending roughly maybe about $100,000 more, depending on what the lot premium is. There are a few upgrades to this home. Okay. Other than that, hey guys, I mean, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks.